Hi guys, welcome to story time. We're going to be reading Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. So if you have one of these at your house, get it out and let's read it together. Okay, what's this called? Front cover, back cover, spine. What comes next? The title page, Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. The author is the one who writes the words, and his name is Eric Litwin. The illustrator is the one who draws the pictures, and that's James Dean. Maybe someday you guys will be authors and illustrators. All right, Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. Look at those white shoes. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color are his shoes now? Red. Let's spell it. R-E-D, red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song, Everything is Cool. I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color are his shoes now? Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He just kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. Ooh, what color are his shoes now? Brown. Let's spell it. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He just kept moving along and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes, I love my brown shoes, I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. All the brown, all the blue, all the red were washed away. What color were Pete's shoes again? White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He just kept moving along and singing his song, rock and roll. He's got a good attitude, doesn't he? I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Now he has one of each color shoe. White, blue, brown, and red. And he's still got a good attitude, huh? He's not crying about it. Because it's all good. The end. I love you guys. Have a good day.